Hey everybody, it's this video. Got a Defiant Deadbolt. This had to be replaced because the strike and door were in horrible shape, and so they were having to really twist it. They bent the key and bent the tailpiece so bad that I had a difficult time getting it out of the lock to replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it here. I don't have a key for this either, so I'm going to see if I can pick it and just pin it up to that key that's just been hanging out here. And this is Home Depot's kind of store brand here. And everybody's wondering, I removed the clip before picking it just to make it easier so I don't accidentally lock it back after I pick it, trying to get the clip off. First, when you do that, you want to be careful with your picking so you don't accidentally yank the plug out when you get it open. It's all open. And these usually have a spool in it, but if this did have a spool, I didn't feel it. And it's lost a driver there. Alright, here's our bottom pins, and the bidding on this is 1, 3, 4, 6, 3. And it's going to be a 4, so 4. And that's a 1 pin. So that's just like a 6. Oh, 5. Maybe that's a 6. Oh, possibly 5. Alright, so 1, 3. So I need a 3, a 6, and 3. Alright, looks good to me. And not sure what's going on with this cap here. Is probably a little bit screwed up on this because I was wrenching it off the door. I really was bending the crap out of it with the pliers, trying to get the tailpiece straight enough to get it out because it was like twisted up. But anyway, it's working nice, and another lock that's set aside just to screw around with or help people learn to pick. And I'll put a clip back on. I hate these Defiant locks. Actually, I don't really care. Well, the doorknobs are alright, they're easy to service. These you gotta be careful pushing these clips back on. This lock, it doesn't matter, but these normally have a crimped on tailpiece. And if you accidentally loosen the crimped on cap pushing these on, then the lock won't function with a key, it'll just spin if the tailpiece isn't engaged. Anyway, it's ready to go there, works alright. And so it's a Defiant, they're single pin picked and rekeyed. And that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.